Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about mensuration, area and perimeter of some closed figure. Before this, first I am going to tell you what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. That means around its boundary. It is the length of the wear needed to form the figure. And area, it is the part of the plane or region occupied by the closed figure. Here are some examples of closed figure. First one is a triangle. Perimeter means sum of all sides. So if A, B and C are the length of its side, then perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C and area is equal to half into base into height. Similarly, area of right angle triangle, the formula of area of a right angle triangle is same as the previous one, half into base into height, and perimeter sum of all sides. If it is an equilateral triangle, then all the sides are equal, which is equal to A. So area is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. A is equal to root 3 by 4 A square in a equilateral triangle, and the height of this equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2a. Height of an, remember this formula, this two formula, height of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2a and area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4a square. Similarly, if I consider a parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. Its area is equal to base into height, where small a is the base, h is the height, and perimeter sum of all sides, that is equal to 2 into a plus b. In case of a rhombus, perimeter is sum of all sides. Here all the sides are equal, which is equal to a. So the perimeter is equal to 4a and area is equal to half into d1 into d2. d1 and d2 are the diagonals. d1 is equal to ac and d2 is equal to bt. So based on this formula, we can solve some questions from exercise 9.1. Now this is exercise 9.1. I am going to explain some questions. First, I am going to explain this one. This is question number 6. A paper is in the form of a square of side 20 centimeter. So each side is equal to 20 centimeter. Semicircles are drawn inside the square paper on two sides as diameter. There are two semicircles. This is one semicircle. This is another semicircle. In these two semicircle, this side 20 meter is its diameter. If the semicircle portions are cut off, then what is the area of the remaining figure? Area of the remaining figure means area of this portion. If I draw this figure, it is like this. We are going to find out area of the remaining portion means area of this portion. So how will you find it? First find area of the square, then find area of these two semicircles, then subtract this area from the area of the square. So first we are finding area of the square. Area of square. The formula is side into side. Here side is equal to 20 meter. So area is equal to 20 into 20, that is equal to 400 meter square. When I find area of the semicircles, in case of semicircle, diameter is equal to 20 meter because it is given that the diameter and the side are same. So if diameter is equal to 20 meter, then radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is equal to 10 meter. Area of semicircle. What is the area of a full circle? Pi r square. Semicircle means half of the full circle. So half into pi r square. Since there are two semicircles, so total area of two semicircles means it is equal to one semicircle. So area of two semicircles equal to 2 into half of pi r square. 2 get cancelled. Pi r square. Pi is equal to 3.14. Pi की वैल्यू 2 होती है. 1 is 3.14, other is 22/7. If it is given, आपको क्या लेना है? You can take this one. In this question, it is given that take pi equal to 3.14. Otherwise, you can take 22/7. So pi is equal to 3.14 r square. R is equal to, just now we are finding R is equal to 10. So 10 square means 100. So 3.14 into 100, that is 314 meters square. Then what is the area of shaded portion? So required area of remaining portion, that is equal to, subtract 314 from 400. So the answer is 400 minus 314, which is equal to 86 meter square. Let us take another example of the same formula, area of square and area of circle. This is question number 10 of exercise 9.1. Question number 10 of exercise 9.1. A wire, when bent in form of a square, encloses an area of 484 centimeters square. This is the wire. This is a wire. It is bent in form of a square and its area is 484 centimeters square. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. So when the area is in the form of a square, its area is 484 centimeters square. If the same area is bent to form of a circle, we have to find out what is the area of this circle. If area of the square is 484 centimeters square, area of the square, that is equal to 484 centimeters square. Area means side square, that is 484 centimeters square. Then what is side? Side is equal to under root of 484 centimeter. Under root of 484. Find the factors. Take out 2. So square root of 484 is equal to 2 into 11, that is equal to 22 centimeter. So this is side of each side of the square. Now these two wire are same. तो दोनों फिगर का क्या सेम होगा? इस वायर को पहले बेंड करके स्क्वायर बनाया गया है, उसी वायर को दोबारा बेंड करके सर्कल बनाया गया है. तो दोनों केसेस में सेम वायर है. दैट मीन्स द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फिगर्स आर सेम. सो इफ साइड इज इक्वल टू 22 सेंटीमीटर, then perimeter is equal to 4 into side, that is equal to 4 into 22, that is 88 centimeter. Now this is the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter means circumference of circle. Circumference means 2 pi r. Now 2 pi r is equal to 88 centimeter. 2 into 22/7 into r is equal to 88 centimeter. So we can say that r is equal to 88 into 7, 2 into 22. So 22, 4s are 2, 2s are 14 centimeter is the radius. When we know the radius of the circle, then we can find area of that circle. So area of that circle is equal to pi r square, pi 22 upon 7 r square, 14 into 14. So you will have your answer. So in this way, by using the formula, we can find area and perimeter of any type of figure. Remember, learn all this formula. That's all for today. Thank you, class.